Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Shari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Saji at saka yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. At bago pong lahat, gusto ko pong batiin kayo, Saji, ng maligayang Pasko at ganun din po sa inyong mga mahal sa buhay at maging masagana po at maging masaya itong araw po ng Kapaskuhan sa inyo. Okay, tingnan natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe para sa iyo, Saji. Wow, twin flames. Mirror. Wedding ring. Mukhang may ikakasala. Okay, so Saji, ang twin flames kasi is kung something to do with yung pagsasama, it's a union. Ito yung dalawang kaluluwa, no? There are two souls that has been separated long time ago at bumabalik sila every lifetime para mag-meet, no? And this meeting, ang kung gaba parang nadidetermine doon kung ito ring panahon na kung talagang magkakaroon na sila ng tinatawag nating union, yung pagsasama nila muli, yung pagkikita muli na yun, na ang pagsasama na yun is maging silang dalawa na talaga. At kung bakit hindi man sila nagkakatuluyan maybe on that lifetime is because may mga bagay pa silang kailangang matutunan at hindi pa nila naayos mabuti yung kanilang sarili, kung gaba parang hindi pa panahon. Kaya nangyayari is they are being reincarnated to another lifetime para dun muli ulit ipagpatuloy yung naiwan nila o hindi nila natapos yung sa isang lifetime na yon. Okay, so it is something to do with that. Kaya pagdating sa twin flames, ito yung sinasabi natin na nagkikita kayo muli o yung somebody from your past, no, yung talagang noong pa matagal na kayong ganito, yung pabalik-balik sa bawat buhay na binabalikan natin, nakikita kayo but you are not totally sort of parang hindi ka ganung ka-clear sa iyo yun, but you would recognize your person kasi ito yung kahati ng iyong kaluluwa. So na-recognize mo na meron kayong somehow pinagsamahan dati, before, na malalim at something that is truly special. Kaya hindi itong kung gaba pag nakita kayo itong lifetime na to, yung recognition na yun is really parang maaano ka lang mesmerize ka na, parang kilala ko na tong taon to na matagal na kaming magkakilala, or there's something with this person na talagang parang na yung hindi ako maano, yung parang there is something that is truly familiar with this person. Parang ganun yung feeling eh. Okay? Now, yung mirror natin is of course pinapatingin sa'yo, no? This is a reflection, yung kung ano yung nakikita mo sa sarili mo, to maybe look at yourself kung ano na nangyayari, This is more to internalize things para makita mo yung introspection ng sarili mo, you know. And kumbawa, it's also something to do with kung pareho kayo nung person mo, no, yung ka-twin flame mo. Kasi sabi ko sa inyo, this is the other half of your soul, kalahati ng yung kaluluwa. Kaya there's always this possibility that you mirror each other, pareho kayo, no, hindi kayo nagkakaiba. Then of course ito maganda, no, wedding rings, talagang there is a union. So this is something na what is telling me this might be the year or the lifetime. If you are searching for your twin flame, no, ito yung panahon na magkikita na kayo, and this is the time that you will have this union or this marriage, yung soul connection na tinatawag, no, yung pagsasama ng dalawa, and it will be something that is pangmatagalan na. Okay, so tingnan natin sa tarot kung ano yung message na makukuha natin para sa iyo, Saji. We have the Empress, the King of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, the Ten of Cups, the Lovers. Bottom niya is the Nine of Swords. Okay, Saji. Yung Nine of Swords dito, ang kanyang ibig sabihin is may mga bagay na iniisip ka na malalim na hindi ka mapalagay, hindi ka makapante, o there's something that is bothering you. No, may bumabagabag sa yung isipan at damdamin. Kaya hindi ka matulog, balisa ka, no, sa gabi, lalo na sa gabi. Kasi lagi itong nasa iyong isip, no, at hindi maalis ito sa iyong damdamin. It's something to do with a new beginning of love. Kung bakit hindi ka makatulog o hindi ka hindi ka matahimik, no? You're not peaceful. Dahil merong bagong pag-ibig na bumabagabag sa iyong isipan o sa iyong damdamin. Now, with the Temperance, you are trying your best para mabalanse mo yung buhay mo, no? To balance your life. You wanted really to, kung ba parang say things, no, na maging okay kami, maging okay yung yung feelings ko dito. This is your card, Sagittarius, no? Temperance. You want to balance yourself kasi hindi to, maybe, having this feeling of new love with your person, yung naiisip ng tao, something na talagang hindi mo agad, sabihin natin na hindi mo pa wini-welcome totally ngayon, o maybe wini-welcome mo siya, but syempre you're trying to be cautious about it, no? Hindi yung talagang mapusok, hindi agad yung sige, jump agad ako dito, hindi ganun eh. Though you have this parang, you're very adventurous, you like adventure, you just go and do it, but for you are being very cautious. You're being very cautious of what's gonna happen. Okay? Kasi I think you've learned from your past experience, no, from your past relationships with the Tower, na there is something that is natutunan mo, na mayroong mga bagay na dumadating sa buhay na talagang hindi mo inaasahan, hindi mo na-expect na mangyayari. Kaya ikaw, you are balancing yourself, no? Na hindi masyadong kung bigay na bigay, kasi pero alam mo that there is this new love coming, or there is new love that is you are experiencing right now. Kaya let us see, kaya ganun ka, no? You're just being cautious about it, lalo na kung hindi mo naiintindihan pa totally yung nararamdaman mo para sa person na ito. Kasi for you are the Empress. Alam mo yung standard mo, you know who you are, you know what you want, you're very confident, huwag ba parang you're very sure of yourself. But I think there was a challenge when you nung nakamit ka ng isang earth sign. It could be Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Okay? And, the King of Pentacles is somebody na talagang ay very ideal, no, to be a partner in life. Kasi he's very responsible. Magaling siya sa pagiging isang ama. Very stable. You feel so secure with this person. Very grounded. Very grounded. At alam niya kung paano maging isang mabuting partner in life. Kaya, as much as possible, you don't want any gulo. Ayaw mo ng gulo, ayaw mo ng bagay na magbibigay o magdudulot ng magli-lead to kasinungalingan, magli-lead sa yung mga bagay na hindi maganda, na pagsisinungaling, stuff like that. Because ang gusto mo is happiness, yung totoong kaligayahan with this person. Yung talagang totally happy ka with this relationship, no, with the Ten of Cups. And of course, yung magiging outcome ng relationship nyo is maging kayo yung mag-lovers. This is an energy coming from a Gemini. Kayong dalawa, to be the love of your life, no? To be with the love of your life. Kaya nga siguro this is more of like a twin flame, kasi kayo, no? And hopefully to get married, no, with the wedding rings. So tingnan natin kung ano pa makuha nating message dito. Bakit nandito yung Empress? We have a jumping card. We have the Nine of Pentacles. And we have the Star. And the Four of Wands. So, yung Empress natin, no? Which is you. You've wished for, no? You've wished for that person to come into your life na talagang makakatapat sa'yo, Saji. But of course, yung sa ngayon kasi, With the Nine of Pentacles, you're doing fine, as a single person. You're doing fine. You are happy. You are, you have money enough to support you. You can do anything you want. You're independent. Lahat, ng talagang may enjoy na isang single person. In other words, kung titignan mo, okay ka lang even without any partner in life. But, hindi naman talaga yun ang sabihin natin na naging talagang yung gusto mo, in all totality. Kasi the Four of Wands is here. This is really asking that, kung parang wishing na someday makita mo yung person for you, the right person for you. So you could establish or start planning for the future. Ito yung pang habang buhay, this is the start of having that marriage proposal. Establishing yung solid foundation yung dalawa. This is the one leading to marriage. This card. So this is what I think you have wished for. Kahit sabihin natin ngayon na single ka, but you are still wishing that one day makita mo yung the right person for you. Bakit andito yung King of Pentacles? We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands, and the Six of Swords. Now, when you have met this person, nung nakakilala ka o makakakilala ka ng isang earth sign, this person is your Ten of Pentacles. Siya yung magbibigay nung katuparan na yun, yung wini-wish mo na pang forever mo, na this person will be the perfect partner for you. Siya yung magiging katuwang mo para matupad lahat ng pangarap mo, na magkaroon ng isang partner na talagang mahal mo at mahal ka. Magbubuo kayo ng pamilya, magkakaroon kayo ng mga material na bagay na nararapat lang sa isang mag-asawa, na mapupundar nyo together. And this person is exactly yung gusto mo, Queen of Wands, which is you, Saji, is a fire sign. Yung qualities ng of a fire sign, na somebody who is attractive, passionate, action-oriented, confident. Yun yung mga qualities na yun eh. And of course, definitely na mahilig na mag-adventure, partying, enjoying, fun to be with. Yun yung mga qualities din na gusto mo para compatible nga kayo to. This is like saying that you mirror each other. Kasi ito, yung Ten of Pentacles is somebody na talagang you would marry. It's all about being married to this person. Now, with the Six of Swords is you want this relationship na maging very calming, very peaceful, na talagang wala kayong gulo o pag-aaway o anything in conflict with. Kaya, yun yung hinahanap mo, na maging very smooth sailing yung inyong pagsasama. Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Bakit andito yung Seven of Swords? Okay, we have a jumping card, the Nine of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Two of Swords. Yung ginagawa mong action is of course not to, this is a negative energy, but not to make any lying, cheating, or backstabbing. Walang ganon. Yun yung ginagawa mo. In other words, you're trying to be good. You're doing your best to be good. Kasi, for you, matagal ka you've been very patient waiting for this person to come into your life. And pag dumating siya, syempre, ikaw, you don't want to be, parang as if hindi ka pa sure. No, hindi ka pa sure na na ito na nga yung tao na to. Hindi na, no? You know what you want. That's why, with the Two of Swords, hindi mo papakita na hindi ka makapag-decide, no, hindi na to. This is such a parang negative energy na you know exactly what you want. Hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon pa ng second thoughts about this, because you could easily make that decision kung ito na nga yung tao para sa'yo. But andito yung Ten of Cups. Andito yung Ten of Cups. We have the Ace of Wands, the Tower, and the Emperor. Wow! Saji, ang gusto mo talaga is to be totally happy with this person, with this relationship. To have this new beginning, something that's very passionate. Kasi you're a fire sign, no? Something na talagang may flame, may init, may passion, merong chemistry. And it unexpectedly, hindi mo inaasahan, nakita mo yung Emperor mo. Remember, you are the Empress. This is your person, the Emperor. Yung kapartner mo in life. Hindi mo inaasahan. Unexpectedly, dumating na siya. And I guess it is something to do na, if you believe in twin flames, this is maybe the lifetime o pagkakataon na magkikita na kayo ulit. If you haven't met your person, magkikita kayo, and this time I think the union will be made, no? Magkakasama na kayo. Once you have met, you recognize each other, then you will fall in love again with this person and get into a relationship and eventually get married. And that would be the union of these two soul connection na tinatawag natin. Now, but andito yung Lovers. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Hierophant. Now, di ba yung yung you're hoping that this is your lover, person that you will be meeting, is because you've waited for such a long time. Nag-intay ka ng matagal ng panahon na, Saji. Matagal ng panahon. Nag-invest ka talaga waiting for this person to come. Which is talagang nangyayari yan sa twin flame. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo na life after life, nung iniintay, taon talaga ang iniintay natin para makita natin yung tamang person for us. Kaya you didn't close your mind, no? Hindi mo, before, nakasara na yung isipan mo, yung mata mo, the fact na hindi mo, na yung pag-iintay mo, ito na wala na talaga na mangyayari, na hindi ko na siya mamimit, hindi na kami magkikita, hindi kami, yung alam mo yan, hindi kami magiging kaming dalawa o hindi kami magiging mag-asawa. Hindi na, no? It will come. That's what I'm trying to say. Kasi the Hierophant, this is an energy coming for Taurus, is all about weddings. It's about tradition. It's all about having that relationship. No? Ito yun. Hierophant and wedding rings. So this is telling us na once you meet your emperor, you will eventually get married. You will come together kasi matagal na nga pinag-intay nyo pareho, but eventually you will get into this union. Okay? So, of course, yung sabi ko nga sa'yo, the zodiac sign that I'm looking at o nakikita ko, you have Taurus, Libra, Earth sign, which is again another Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Taurus again, so Taurus is very prominent. And this is, of course, an Aries. Let me check. We have Gemini. Natin yung mga prominent na zodiac sign. We have Aquarius. We have Virgo. I guess that's it. No? Yun yung mga zodiac sign. But not necessarily, but just to guide you. Yun yung mga possible na hinahanap mong person. If you're dealing with such person, ito yung mga zodiac sign na na-mention ko, but not necessarily. Okay? So, yun. Something for you to be excited about kasi alam mong dadating na yung ka-twin flame. So, let us see kung kailan ba mangyayari itong union na ito. Kailan mangyayari itong union. Wow. It says here next month. To January. So, you look promising yung pagpasok ng taon. Something that you might unexpectedly meet na yung person mo, no? Next month. Tingnan natin, no? You see if you've met somebody truly special na kung gabay magpapatibok muli ng puso mo na matinding pagpapatibok ng puso mo. Kasi yun eh. Hindi mo talaga akalain o parang hindi mo ma-describe na ito na yung tao na to na matagal mo nang iniintay. Finally, dumating na sa buhay mo. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo, Saji. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka. God bless and Merry Christmas.